Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to migrate our legacy vaults. First thing you're going to do is go to emblem.finance, click on My Vaults, and then go over to Migrate. Select the vault that you want to migrate and go down and look for the big green Approve Minting button. This is a gas transaction that will need to be done one time. If it is not there, then this means that you have already done this process. So you will be able to skip this first step. It'll be about $2 to approve minting for this gas transaction. Once you're done, you're going to drop down and find advanced options. Click on this and it'll give you multiple options to the eligible curated collections that you could migrate to. Since this is a rare Pepe, I want to move it to the rare Pepe curated collection. Click on Migrate Rare Pepe and then approve a second gas transaction. You cannot see it on this screen, but it comes out to about $10 at 20 Gwei. There is no vaulting fee associated with this. When you see it says migrating and validating transaction, that means that you are going through the migrating process. Please be patient as this could take up to 10 to 30 seconds depending on the gas congestion of the network and the Emblem.finance front end. You will see this spinning loading button. If it takes more than 30 seconds, just refresh the page. And to know that it's been migrated, you go down, hit OpenSea, and as you can see here, we are on the Rare Pepe curated collection. If you want to find the asset again, just go to Emblem.finance, click on Locked, and there it is. There is our Rare Pepe's basketball asset. Then you could go and you could see Migrate and Jump. Migrate, these are all the vaults that are eligible to be migrated for a one-time offer only. And then Jump, this allows you to move assets between curated collections with the click of a button and eventually move across all blockchains. Thank you guys very much. If you have any questions, please go to the Emblem Discord.